The Platinum Account Program Manager at AMAG Technology is geared towards our larger, more complex customers that required focused attention. Therefore, we provide them with an account manager who is a trusted advisor to ensure they receive the personalized and tailored approach of support they need and deserve. Customers can rely on their account manager to identify and resolve potential challenges before they escalate, and help them navigate the challenges they may face in meeting compliance and staying up to date with their security requirements. The Platinum Account Program offers a variety of services to the customer that they can benefit from, such as a dedicated account manager, training at no additional cost, and technical support at no additional cost. They also receive guidance through their day-to-day operations to ensure they have the best path forward for long-term success. The Platinum Account Manager keeps customers updated on industry trends and new technology that may meet their needs. They truly are a trusted advisor to their customer.